In this video, we will show you exactly how you can monetize your blog WordPress website. To accomplish this, we will first start with explaining how you can optimize your WordPress theme. After that, we are going to explain how you can write and optimize prompts for it using ChatGPT. And as last, we are going to show you some of the very useful tips to monetize your blog from Google AdSense. So make sure to keep watching this entire video so that you never miss a step. So without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that you have a fresh WordPress installed. And once you have this fresh WordPress installed, here you can see that I have this fresh WordPress installed. What you have to do is to go to the dashboard, and from here hover over this appearance and then click on themes. Once you will click on this themes, click on add new button right here and then search for a theme called Flocks. This is the theme that you want to install. Click on install button right here. In my case, this theme is already installed, so what I'll do is to simply activate this theme. And once you will activate this theme, you will have to head over to this section that says install plugins. So simply click on this install plugins, click here, and it will automatically check mark all of these required plugins that are required by the Flocks theme. And then what you will have to do is to click here and then click install and then click apply. What it will do is it will automatically keep installing all of these required plugins, and then we'll just have to wait until all of these plugins will get installed. So right here you can see that all of these required plugins are successfully installed on our WordPress website. So next up, what you will have to do is to click on this install button for the Flocks core plugin. So simply click here, it will automatically start installing and activating this core plugin, and after that it will install and activate Elementor page builder that is required by this theme. Once it will get installed, it will automatically redirect you to this page, and from here what you will have to do is to simply click on this demo importer button here and then click on this blog and magazine. From here you will see some of the free available templates. So we will use one of the free available templates. The one that I showed you was different. So here is the template that we want to use. So in order to use this template, what you will have to do is to simply click on this import button right here, and from here click on this continue button, and then once again click on this install plugin. It will install these required plugins for these templates. So we'll just have to wait for a few seconds until they will get installed, and from here click skip button right here, and then make sure from here you choose complete pre-built website. So click import content here, and then you will just have to wait until our demo will get imported on our WordPress website. So right here you can see that the demo we wanted to import is successfully imported, and from here we can simply click on this preview button, and what it will do is to open our website in a new tab so that we can review that what we have imported on our WordPress website. So right here you can see that this is how it is looking. Now it is very easy to edit anything on this website, but the most important thing for any of the blog website is their blog post. So in order to access the blog post, you will have to go back to your dashboard, and from your dashboard you will have to go to this post section. And when you will go to this post section, you will see all of these blog posts that are already been published because of the template that we have imported. And if I go back to our website, you will see all of these blog posts showing right here. Now in order to update any of these things, you will have to add your blog post here, and for that you will have to click on this add new button. And once you will click on this add new button, you will have this window right here. In here you can type in the title for your blog post, and right here you can type in the content for your blog post. Once that is done, click on this post tab, and from here make sure you assign a category from one of these categories, or you can create your own category by clicking on add new category button right here. Then make sure you insert a featured image for your blog post. Once that is done, after that make sure you click the publish button, and then all of your blog posts will get published. In this way you can create as many posts as you want, and all of the new posts that you will upload will automatically appear right here. Now in this template you can see we have these watermarks here. It is because this is a demo we have imported, and these images are the stock images and we do not have the license to use these images. So make sure you can get some free images from free stock websites that you can use for your blog website. After that, let me show you that how you can change this logo. So in order to change this logo, click on this customize button right here, and once you will click on this customize button, this customizer will start getting loaded. So from here, what you will have to do is to click on this site identity, and from this site identity you can click on this change logo button right here, and from the media library you can choose any of your logo, or you can upload your own logo by clicking on this select file button, and then select that logo. It will automatically get changed. After that, you will have to create these navigation menus. So in order to create these navigation menus, you will have to go to this appearance and menus, and from here you will see all of the menu items that we are seeing right here are appearing here. So you can insert all of your navigation menu items right there, and in this way these navigation menu items will get updated. Now if you want to change the layout of this blog page, what you will have to do is to simply click on this edit with Elementor button right here. It is because this is an archive page, we do not actually have the option to edit this page because this is only showing us the blog post. So changing the blog post only will update whole of this page. And let me show you that how you can create some content using the ChatGPT and what prompts you will have to use in order to create the content. So right here you can see that I have wrote this prompt, that is write me 20 blog post title ideas for book blog, and ChatGPT will automatically start suggesting us some of the blog post ideas that we can then use to create our blog post around these. So right here you can see that ChatGPT has created 20 different blog post ideas for our book blog, and now I can ask the ChatGPT to write the blog post for each of these titles. So I'll write a prompt here, that is write a 1000 words blog post on each of this title. So once I'll hit enter, it will automatically start writing, but here you can see it's saying I'm sorry, but I am not capable of writing 1000 words blog post in a single message because it will take a lot of this response. So what we can actually do is to stop this response, and then we can copy one of these titles, and then in here we can type in write a 1000 words blog post on this title that we just copied, and once I'll hit enter, it will automatically start writing the 1000 words of blog post. So right here you can see that it has successfully wrote this 1000 words of blog post for us, and from here what you can simply do is to copy this title. You can go back to your WordPress dashboard, you can head over to this post section right here, and after that you can click on this add new, and then you can use this title right here as the title of the blog post, and you can use this description or the response that ChatGPT has created for us as the content of your blog post. And in this way you will have these 20 different kind of blog posts ready for your blog website. Once that is done, let me tell you some of the key useful tips that will help you get monetized easily from Google AdSense. So very important, or the first tip that I'll give you is to make sure that you have a unique logo and a unique favicon for your website. The next thing is that you have an easy to use navigation on your blog website so that people can easily navigate on different pages of your blog website. After that, make sure each blog post that you create is unique and is not directly copied from any of the source on the internet. These featured images that you will use, make sure you edit these images so that you do not get any kind of copyright infringements from any of these featured image. Now let me tell you some of the most important pages when it comes to Google AdSense approval. So you will require an about us page, a privacy policy page, a contact us page, and a disclaimer page. Make sure you have these 4 pages included. These are the must pages if you want to get approved from the Google AdSense. Now at the last, let me tell you that how many minimum number of blog posts you will require in order to get verified from Google AdSense so that Google Ads display on your blog post. So there is not actually an exact number, but as of our experience, if you will have a minimum of 30 unique blog posts on your website, then you will have a very positive chances that you will get approved from Google AdSense. And also make sure that your domain is older than 60 days, which means your domain should be older than 2 months. So if you will follow these tips, we are positive that you will easily get approved from Google AdSense. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please make sure subscribing to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever we upload the new video. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.